Today I'm going to show you how to make a yardstick swag for Valentine's Day. We're going to get started on this with step 1, which is to take I'm going to take 2 white pipe cleaners on my yardstick and twist them really tightly because we don't want them to slip, and you can do them on top of each other. That helps to keep them from slipping. You're going to do one to the left side and one to the right side. And then you're going to take a red pipe cleaner, same thing, you can wrap it right over your others. And this one we're going to twist right in the middle, just like that. And we're going to go down our yardstick doing this every 4 inches. This is what your yardstick should look like when you get finished with step 1, with all of your pipe cleaners all the way down. Step 2, we're going to take 12-inch wide deco mesh, and I'm going to cut 24-inch pieces. This is easiest to do with a rotary cutter like this one, and I'm using a repairable mat. You're going to repeat this step 20 times. You want 20 pieces of this. Then we're going to do the same thing with the red, but you'll only need 10 of those. So you're going to take your red deco mesh, and you are going to cut 10 of these, just like that. Okay, after you've cut all of your pieces of deco mesh, we're moving on to step 3. We have our yardstick all set. We're going to take our pieces of deco mesh and roll in from the ends, 2 or 3 times. And then we're going to take it and scrunch it up. So you'll have something that looks like this. And you're going to take those white pipe cleaners and twist those around the middle really tightly, like so. Let's take another white piece and do that. Roll it 2 or 3 times. Roll it 2 or 3 times, and then take and squeeze it up together. And we're going to take this one and put it between the white pipe cleaners on the other side. And you're going to go all the way down your yardstick doing the same thing. And then we're going to take our red one and do the same thing. Roll this 2 or 3 times from that end, roll it 2 or 3 times from that end, and then scrunch it together, and then take that one and put it between the red pipe cleaner and twist that. So that's what you have for now. For step 4, you're going to take 2 contrasting ribbons, and you're going to cut pieces 12 inches long. And I'm cutting 10 of my stripe, and I'm going to cut 20 of my plaid. And once you cut it, you want to give a little swallowtail to the end just by folding it in half. And then do that the same on the other end. And you're going to do that to all of the ribbons. So 20 of one and 10 of another. Now we're ready for step 6. We have all of our deco mesh attached. We have our ribbons cut. And you're going to take 2 of one of the ribbons and 1 of the other and layer them. And then you're going to go in here and find the red pipe cleaner, and you're going to take that around your ribbons. Oh, I didn't mention, you really need to have wired ribbons for this. Otherwise, they're just going to flop and not look nice. So I'll show you just a second. And you're just going to twist that tight around those ribbons, and then you can take your ribbons and spread them out and kind of open them up. And you want those sweet little swallowtails to show. And here at this end, I've already done a couple to show you how it's going to look. So just go down and make sure you add those 3 ribbons to the middle of each one of these. And I'll be back with step 7. All right, ready for step 7, our last step before we hang this on our door. And I got some pretty hearts. I'm going to cut the wires that they're on a little shorter with a pair of wire cutters. And then I'm going to take them and go in where my red pipe cleaner is. I'm going to wrap that around the stem of the heart and twist it tightly. And then I'm going to go down here a little ways, and I'm going to take a red one and add a red one. And I'm just going to alternate all the way down with red and white glittery hearts. You could also pick up a Valentine sign if you wanted to, like from Dollar Tree, and add that. However you would want to decorate yours. I think I'll do this one this direction. And I think I'm just going to finish it off with one red one. And our swag is finished. The last thing I will need to do is to put a pipe cleaner through the hole at the top of my...
I wasn't recording that. Go ahead and just start with the last thing. Just start with the last thing.
The last thing I need to do is to turn my swag over, and the hole that's in the top of my yardstick, I'm just going to make a little loop here with a pipe cleaner so I can hang it on the hook that's on my door. With my hoop, it is so easy for me to just hang my swag right on the door. And my door is all dressed for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Chloe Crabtree. You can see more at celebrateanddecorate.com. Make sure if you have any questions, you put them in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe.